like my book, my pen, kitab, qalami, my house, my lesson, darsi, all that. My homework, wajibi, fine. So we said that before. So male plural, muslimuna, muflihuna, mukrimuna, mujrimuna, that we discussed yesterday. I mean, usually it has its own Arab, but when it is possessed to ya dhamir, ya pronoun, then it has a different Arab in that case. Muslimuna plus ya. How would you possess the wait? So single word, right? How to make plural? We need plural word. So we make it plural by adding wow nun. Wow nun is symbol of plural. So I mean, yeah, to make plural we just add wow nun next to singular. Muflih is singular. It means one successful person. Then we add, because I'm not